This man does the world's most dangerous job. Live line work. High voltage, high altitude, no second chances. Every day he climbs 100-foot towers, working on cables charged with 500,000 volts. No power is cut, no room for mistakes. He wears a full-body insulated suit, hanging by a single rope in midair. One wrong move, and it's life or death. Every bolt he tightens, every connection he checks, keeps power flowing to homes and cities, hospitals, schools, factories. They all depend on him. He knows the risk. He knows he might not come home, but he still climbs, because this job feeds his family and fills him with pride. He keeps the city's heart beating. Rain, wind, lightning, nothing breaks his focus. He's not fearless, he's responsible, and for the people counting on him, he won't look away. So give this silent hero the respect he deserves. He's the reason your lights stay on. Could you do what he does?